Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet's budgeting and expense tracking feature. Let's get straight into the video. First up, we're going to talk about setting up budgeting and expenses. Let me show you guys how that is done. What you want to do is to open the Google Wallet app on your Android device and then just tap the budget tab and then set up budget categories such as food, transportation, entertainment and whatnot, and then just set budget amounts for each category. Now when it comes to tracking these expenses, what you want to do is to link your bank accounts, credit cards or financial accounts to Google Wallet. And then you want to categorize transactions as they occur, such as assigning a purchase to the food category. You could also track expenses in real time, including income, expenses and savings. So that's going to help you out a lot. Now for budgeting features, there are a couple of features to budgeting. The first is budget alerts, so you can set up budget alerts to notify you when you go over the budget limit. And there's also budget tracking, where you can track your budget progress throughout the months. And there's also budget analysis, where you can analyze your budget to identify areas for improvements. So for expense tracking features, there are a couple of features to track your expenses. The first, of course, is transaction history, where you can view your transaction history, including the income, expenses and savings. There's also expense categorization, where you can categorize expenses to track spending habits. There's also expense analysis, where you can analyze expenses to identify areas that you're gonna need to improve on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.